Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to downgrade subscription on Crunchyroll. I opened Crunchyroll the other day and decided to check if switching to a cheaper plan was actually as simple as it sounds. So I logged into the website and went straight to my profile in the top right corner where all account controls are located. Then I entered the settings menu and opened the membership info section where my current subscription details were displayed. And from there, I click on change plan, which showed all available tiers. And instead of staying on the higher plan, I selected a lower option like fan just by clicking choose plan. Then I scrolled all the way down to the confirmation page and completed the process by hitting finish checkout. And right after my subscription was updated to downgraded plan without any extra steps or support requests, which honestly makes it pretty convenient if you just want to cut costs without canceling everything entirely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.